Hey Chris, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that you can do to have you boosting your online presence and outranking your competition and driving that business to your doorstep. And those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason that I do this is because this is my way of giving back to small business owners and shooting them this video with some tips they can actually go and do themselves and boost their online presence and grow their business. And sometimes they come back to me and we work something out and work together. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it themselves. So either way you decide to go, I'm cool with it. So if you like what you see by the end of the video and you want to reach out to me, that's great. I'd be happy to uh, have a chat with you. So I have your website pulled up here, and I see right away you got all these locations up here. So one thing I might suggest would be to build a page for each location and a Google Business Profile as well if you have locations there. And then I like your menu up here has all your drop down, your services there. So uh, scroll down here a little bit. You got that submit a request form right away, which is all good. What you do, all that, all your credential, good stuff. Pictures of your projects you've done, testimonial. Okay, so I do not see a whole lot of content. So, I mean, there's content there, but Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. The home page being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google. And you want Google to stay on your site longer and crawl your other pages and look through that content. And in that content, it's looking for those keywords that somebody's going to use uh, to find you for your service. We call those buyer intent keywords. Like one for you would be roof repair OKC. And when you put that in your content, then Google finds it and ranks you. And you put it here in the search engine. First thing you see is these ads that local businesses run. They um, they pay for those and have the Google runs those, and then you see the map section here, and then down here you see the organic section. So the first page of the organic section is the best place that you want to be with your website, especially in these top parts, because these are the ones that generate the most traffic for any given search for any given service. So the content with the keywords helps put you. And I also use a tool called Ahrefs to compare and do with your top competitor there. And what this tool does is it tells me what's happening with a website per Google and it's how it's performing. And I have you in here. This is a 24 UR rating and a 3.8 DR rating. These are Google's power and trust flow numbers. You're getting 588 backlinks from 145 referring domains. Now, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest, working back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, so Google ranks you higher. And you don't want just any backlinks though, because you want relative backlinks to your industry. You don't want anything broken or spammy or irrelevant like Pizza Hut or anything linking to you because that actually hurts you. And you're being found for 288 organic keywords and are generating 32 organic traffic in a month. But you got to have them keywords that somebody's going to put in to find your service. So you can actually click on the keywords and see which keywords you're being found for. And here I have you in here in your keywords. And you can see like metal roof, Oklahoma City maybe would be a good one that you're being found for. 150 search volume in a month for that one. Metal Roof, Oklahoma, 100 search volume. So you really want those keywords that the buyer intent keywords, those are the ones you want to be found for. And if you noticed for roof repair here, Down here you got J&M Roofing Company. So I pulled up their website and you can see their front page. And it doesn't look like they have a whole lot of content on their front page, so the content wouldn't be a problem to outrank. Put them in the Ahrefs tool to see how they're performing. This overview here. They got a UR rating of 29 and a DR of 1.9. They're getting over 1,000 backlinks from 122 referring domains. Now you can go after the same links that your competitors using, because they're going to be strong enough to rank you. As long as they're good links, you just got to check that out. And then they're being found for 289 organic keywords, and having that spot is generating them 175 organic traffic in a month. So you can click on the keywords to see what they're being found for. And you can see roof repair, OKC, 150 search volume, roof repair, Oklahoma City, 200 city, 300 search volume, roof repair, 150 search volume. So that's all keywords that you would want built in your content there. Now, with the keywords in it and then the backlinking, that ranks you organic search. And then when you come back up to the map section, this is where your Google Business Profile comes into play, and citations. So a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number of your Google Business Profile is listed, such as like Angie's List or Yelp or Yellow Pages, other social media, anywhere that your name, address, and phone number, it's called citation. And then you go and get as many of those listings as you can. Google will find them all and point back to you and rank you higher in this map section. Again, the content with the keywords built in the content, the buyer intent keywords like roof repair, OKC, and then that would do that with the linking, the backlinks, and your competitors' links, and it'll rank you higher in this organics section of the search, and then the citations ranking you higher in the map section. So if you like this video, like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, which I'm totally cool with. Or you can reach out to me, send me a message, email, reach out to me here. This is my website, and my number is 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope it helps you, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.